Welcome back to Modern Study. Today we are covering Chapter 11, Carboxylic Compounds. In this video, we'll go through the complete exercise including MCQs, short questions, and long questions. So let's get started. 1. What is the product of the reaction between ethanoic acid and sodium carbonate? Answer: D. Sodium acetate. Ethanoic acid reacts with sodium carbonate to form sodium acetate, water, and carbon dioxide. 2. Which catalyst is used in the esterification reaction between a carboxylic acid and an alcohol? Answer: B. Sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid acts as a catalyst and also removes water in esterification. 3. What is the main component of vinegar? Answer: D. Ethanoic acid. Vinegar is a dilute solution of ethanoic acid in water. 4. What gas is produced when a carboxylic acid reacts with a metal? Answer: C. Hydrogen. Acids react with active metals to release hydrogen gas. 5. Which compound is formed by the bacterial oxidation of ethanol? Answer: C. Ethanoic acid. Bacteria, Acetobacter, oxidize ethanol into ethanoic acid. 6. What type of bond is formed between a carboxylic acid and an alcohol during esterification? Answer: C. Covalent bond. An ester bond, covalent, is formed by condensation reaction. 7. Which of the following is an example of a carboxylic acid? Answer: B. Ethanoic acid. It is a carboxylic acid containing COH group. 8. In the oxidation of ethanol to ethanoic acid, what is the role of potassium manganate? 7. Answer: B. Oxidizing agent. It oxidizes ethanol into ethanoic acid. 9. What is produced when ethanoic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide? Answer: B. Sodium ethanoate. Neutralization occurs forming sodium ethanoate and water. Short answer questions. 1. Write the balanced chemical equation for the reaction between ethanoic acid and sodium. Equation: ethanoic acid reacts with sodium metal to form sodium ethanoate and hydrogen gas. 2. Describe how ethanoic acid can be formed from ethanol using an oxidizing agent. Ethanol is oxidized by using an oxidizing agent, such as potassium dichromate, K2SO7, or potassium permanganate, KMnO4, in acidic conditions. This changes ethanol into ethanoic acid. 3. What is the role of sulfuric acid in the esterification process? Concentrated sulfuric acid acts as a catalyst and also helps to remove water, shifting the reaction towards ester formation. 4. Name the salt formed when ethanoic acid reacts with sodium carbonate. The salt formed is sodium ethanoate, CH3SO. 5. How is ethanoic acid used in the food industry? Ethanoic acid is used as vinegar to preserve food, add sour taste, and prevent bacterial growth. 6. Explain the industrial use of ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate is used as a solvent in paints, varnishes, adhesives, and nail polish removers because it evaporates quickly. 7. Write the chemical equation for the esterification reaction between methanol and ethanoic acid. Equation: methyl ethanoate plus water. 8. Describe the bacterial oxidation process used in vinegar production. Bacteria, such as Acetobacter, oxidize ethanol in the presence of oxygen into ethanoic acid, which is then diluted to make vinegar. 9. What happens when a carboxylic acid reacts with a base? Provide a general reaction. Carboxylic acids neutralize bases to form salt and water. General reaction: X. What are the products of the reaction between a carboxylic acid and a metal? Products are salt, metal ethanoate, and hydrogen gas. Example: long answer questions. 1. Explain why esters are commonly used in the fragrance industry. Esters have pleasant, sweet, and fruity smells. Different esters smell like bananas, apples, pineapples, or flowers. Because of this property, they are widely used in making perfumes, deodorants, air fresheners, and flavorings in foods. They are also non-toxic and volatile, which makes them easy to use in fragrance products. 2. Discuss the industrial importance of carboxylic acids and esters. Carboxylic acids. Ethanoic acid is used in vinegar for food preservation. It is used in making plastics, dyes, and synthetic fibers. It is used as a solvent in industries. Esters. Used as solvents in paints, varnishes, and adhesives. Used in perfumes, cosmetics, and flavorings. Ethyl acetate is used in nail polish removers. Thus, both have wide applications in food, textile, cosmetic, and chemical industries. 3. Compare the efficiency of chemical and bacterial oxidation methods in the production of ethanoic acid. Chemical oxidation. Ethanol is oxidized with strong oxidizing agents like potassium dichromate or potassium manganate. This method is fast and gives pure ethanoic acid, but it is expensive and requires controlled conditions. Bacterial oxidation. Uses bacteria, Acetobacter, to oxidize ethanol into ethanoic acid. This is the natural process used in vinegar production. It is cheaper but slower and produces dilute solutions. Conclusion: chemical oxidation is efficient for industrial pure acid production, while bacterial oxidation is best for food-grade vinegar. 4. Analyze the importance of esterification reactions in the pharmaceutical industry. Many medicines are esters, such as aspirin, acetylsalicylic acid, which is an ester of salicylic acid. Esterification helps in making drug molecules more stable and soluble. Some esters act as local anesthetics, like benzocaine. Esters are also used to mask unpleasant tastes of some drugs by providing fruity flavors. Thus, esterification plays a vital role in producing safe and effective medicines. 5. Compare the reactivity of carboxylic acids with metals, bases, and carbonates. Which reaction releases a gas, and why is this significant in practical applications? With metals, carboxylic acids react to form a salt and release hydrogen gas. With bases, they neutralize bases to form a salt and water, no gas released. With carbonates, they form a salt, water, and carbon dioxide gas. Gas-releasing reactions. Metal reaction releases hydrogen gas. Carbonate reaction releases carbon dioxide gas. Significance. The release of gas helps in identifying acids in the lab, effervescence test. 6. Describe how carboxylic acids are used in the food industry, particularly in food preservation. Carboxylic acids like ethanoic acid, vinegar, prevent the growth of bacteria and fungi, acting as preservatives. They're added to pickles, sauces, and canned foods. They provide a sour taste to foods, improving flavor. Some carboxylic acids like citric acid are used to preserve juices and jams. 7. Explain the use of esters in the cosmetics industry and pharmaceutical industry. Cosmetics industry. Esters are used in perfumes, creams, and lotions because of their pleasant fruity smell and non-toxicity. They also act as solvents in nail polish removers. Pharmaceutical industry. Many drugs are esters, e.g., aspirin. Esters are used as anesthetics, flavoring agents in medicines, and in drug formulations for stability and solubility. 8. Evaluate the impact of carboxylic acids and esters on daily life. Carboxylic acids, present in vinegar, pickles, juices, and preservatives. Used in industries for plastics, dyes, and textiles. Esters, found in perfumes, soaps, shampoos, and cosmetics. Used in foods as artificial flavors, banana, apple, pineapple. Present in medicines and solvents. That's all for Chapter 11 exercise, and thank you so much for all the support and love. Inshallah, after completing the Federal Board Class 10 chemistry book, we will upload lecture-wise explanation videos and concept assessments as well.